Hello and welcome to the new programming video. Today we are going to solve something which is really interesting and might be helpful in very extreme scenarios. Logic is pretty simple, I must say that. But the thing that might be interesting is the working. I know I have practiced lots of programming questions and I've came across this type very frequent and very often. So the question is that it's a staircase problem basically in which we are given a list and the rules are simple. I can either start from the 0 index or the 1 index and I can jump 1 and 2. Okay, so if I'm starting from 10, I can jump to 15 as well as I can jump to 20. But if I'm starting from 15, I can jump to 20. Just a minute. Okay, so if I'm like jumping from 15, I can jump to 20 and I can jump to the top floor, and that's where we want to reach. Okay, we don't want to reach to the last index, we want to reach which is ahead of 20. We want to go ahead, so that's why I was also confused as well. So let's just figure out the solution of this. So if we are starting from 10, the total would be like we can go to 1 and 2. Okay, so if we are jumping from 10, we will go to 15, we will go to 20, and then from 20 we can go out. So our total cost will be 10 plus 20, which is 30. But if we are starting from 15, which is as in the rules that you can start from either 0 or 1. So if I'm starting from 15, I can in just 15 I can move two steps. So I can go to 20 as well as I can move ahead as well. So minimum of 15, 20, minimum of 15 and 30, which is 15. Therefore, our answer is 15. But the question is, how do we know that we have to take this 15 and not this 10 plus 20? This type of scenarios are very frequently countered, configured, etc. That which permutation or which combination to choose. Let's take this example. In this, if we are going with 1, I jump 2 steps, 101, I come here. Okay, so now this 1 will become 2. Why? Because it was 1 and I came here, so it's 2. Then again 1 and 1, so I'm coming here, this will become 3. And then again 1 and 1, this will become 4. And then 1 and 1, no, not this one. This will increase this will increase to 4 plus 100, so it will be 104. We don't want that. We just want 4, and in this case only one jump, so 5, and then again twice, so it's 6, and then I can move out. Okay, so we need to select the right choice. So how do we do that? The question is pretty simple. We can do that, but you need to just think a little bit. That's where the strike comes in the picture. So I'll be moving uh, from I in range of 2 len of cost, and I'll be moving from I in range of 2 till len of cost. So my cost of I will be cost of I plus minimum of cost of I minus 1 and cost I minus 2. Okay, that's it. You don't have to do anything. Just return minimum of cost len cost minus 1 or cost len cost minus 2. That's it. It worked. Figure on this, remember this thing will be very advantageous in your future solutions.